How are you today? I hope you're feeling great. I have a new video and it's my Glossybox unboxing. It just came in the mail yesterday, so I'm ready to unbox it. I also have my coffee in my new Christmas mug because it's one day after Thanksgiving and I am now allowed officially to listen to Christmas music and drink my coffee out of my Christmas mug. Not that I have been drinking my coffee out of this mug the last week, but that's okay. I love Christmas. All right, but let's get into the box. I already have it out of the actual box because it's easier to unbox this way. And we'll open it up, and it has a really nice glossy magazine design this time. It says Make a Wish, and it looks really nice. It looks very Christmassy, so I'm excited. And we'll open it up together, and we'll have the little paper thingy, and we go. It's packed pretty well, so we'll get right into it. First off, we have a little reading thing by Judith Williams. I guess she brought out a book. She is pretty big in Germany, and I think she lives in America. I'll test it. I don't think I'll buy her book, but okay. Oh, and also by Judith Williams, we have a night cream. What does it say? Cell renewing green biotechnology for a more beautiful skin. Epidermal growth. Okay, we'll test it out and see what it does, or if it does anything. It's a nice packaging though. I like it. Like, look at this. It's very nice packaging. Okay. Oh, then we have a perfume sample inside. It's by Helene Fischer, which is a German folk. She's like doing, well, it's German music, and that's called That's Me. Pink freesia, peach, tangerine, coconut, rose, lotus blossom, and the base is precious woods, vanilla, and musk. Okay, sounds like something I would like. We'll test it. Then we have a dry shampoo by Batiste. And it's for brown hair. It has a hint of color. Now, I don't know if that's gonna work for me because I have red hair, but I'll test it. I love Batiste hair, like dry shampoo. So good, but I've never tried the one with color because I have red hair, so I don't know. We also have a nail polish in here. It's by Catrice Cosmetics, and it's a glitter peel-off nail polish. It's very festive, I think. Like, it's perfect for the Christmas season. So I think I already have one of those peel-off glitter polishes, and I remember them not being too good, but we'll test it. Oh, and then like the highlight of the box, it's by Huda Beauty. Now, if that's not awesome, I don't know. Very cool. I don't have anything by Huda Beauty so far, so I'm excited to test it. It's in the color Girlfriend, and it's a liquid matte lipstick. It's quite brown. I think it's a nice color. I think it's gonna be good for fall now and winter. We'll give it a go. And then we have a, I don't know what this company is, Kueshi Double Effect Makeup Remover for eyes and sensitive areas, and it's cleansing and calming. I can always use a makeup remover, eye makeup remover, always. So I'll test it. I don't think it'll come close to my Garnier Skin Active Makeup Eye Makeup Remover. I think you're supposed to shake it. But yeah, okay. So let's see, we'll take a look into the magazine together. It has, like, on the front, it has a tutorial. It always does. and then we'll add it up and see what the box's value is. So the eye makeup remover is right here, and it's $11.95, and I have my calculator down here now. And then I have the Huda Beauty matte liquid lipstick, and it's $21.99, so wow. And then, oh, we have the Catrice nail polish right here, and it's $3.49. Yeah, I believe I have the purple one, but I'll have to go check, but I believe I bought this one. And then we have, oh, there was Lancaster in here as well. I would have loved that. Then we have the Judith Williams, the night cream right here. And that would be $9.95. That's quite expensive. And then we have, oh, they always have such nice ads in here, and I want to buy all of it. What else do we have? Oh, I guess the Batiste dry shampoo was just a little gift because it's not even in here. Nope, it's not in here. Cannot find it. I don't think it's in here. Nope. So I guess this and the perfume sample were just gifts. So yeah, so I guess they came for free. And the value of the box is $47.38. So almost 50 euro, and the entire box costs me 15. So I guess that's a good value. I am very excited about the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick because I have not tried anything by Huda, and I'm really excited. I always wanted to, and now I get to. So yay! Thank you, Glossybox. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please leave me a thumbs up down below if you did. Subscribe to my channel as well if you want to see more of me. I upload every Wednesday and Sunday. And see you in my next video. Bye!